Hi, my name is Flo and I'm from Sydney, Australia. I'm currently working as a lawyer in the city, and I joined Investing Accelerator in April of this year. And it's been a short 4 months, but it's been a really eye-opening journey for me. So before jumping into that, before Investing Accelerator, I was mainly just focusing on finishing my law degree, but I decided to start investing last year. I bought another course that I felt would help me along my way to my financial freedom, but it was actually really time consuming, and I felt that, for the amount of effort I was putting in, the returns wasn't that great. So earlier this year I looked for another investing course, and luckily I came across Eric's content on Facebook and YouTube, and I decided, such a passive approach and such great returns, I thought, why not try it? So I did, and in April I joined the course, and in mid-May I made my first investment in Activision Blizzard, and I actually sold half of it last week at a 60% profit, which I'm really happy about, and the other half I'm still holding on to with a 70% profit, and the whole portfolio as a whole is sitting at 40%, and it's only been 4 months since I started my investing journey with Investing Accelerator. So it's been really wonderful, and the investing side of things has really fit into my life really easily, considering that I work full time. I don't have a financial background at all, so for anyone that has doubts about whether they can learn and understand content, you shouldn't be afraid. So I'd say for anyone looking to join or interested in investing, I'd say go for it. Don't hesitate with Eric's course. It's the real deal. The amount of support and that you get with Eric and the community is great. And no question is too silly. We're all here to learn, and it can really change your life. And I'm just really excited about the future now with my portfolio, and I'll see what happens.